today we got this sign that I made, pretty much a custom sign, just laser engraved, made the panel, and we're about wrapped up, so I'm just doing the final cut with the track saw. So I just thought I'd show you guys how I do that. And no more shitty videos because we got the GoPro. So we're just setting up the DCS 520 Flexvolt track saw, and we are matching it with the Flexvolt Dust Extractor. And I'll also be showing you guys how to connect it via Bluetooth. So essentially you just twist, there's a lock button, and it's locked in. You could swivel it however you want. So now we are going to be doing the auto on function. So pretty much you just want to make sure your power button is switched to the Bluetooth mode, and then there's a Bluetooth button above it. You want to hold that while you press the trigger. See how it came on? And then it gives it like, I don't know, 3 seconds, so it sucks all the dust out. And now we're just going to line up our track. Nice clean cut. And there you have it. Connecting the sander. So it comes with this remote. You're going to want to do the same thing we pretty much did with extractor, and then we're gonna simultaneously press the button right here. And there we have it. Do wish the sanders came with that function, but I think every sander should. I know the belt sander does. So we're just gonna sand this a little bit. And this is the sign. Came out really good. I know the client's gonna love it, so yeah, just thought I'd show you guys just how to use the track saw and how to connect it to the dust extractor via Bluetooth. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you think I could do it better another way, or how you do it. I'd love to hear it. So yeah, just another video, guys. You guys have a great day.